Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with Windows Explorer crashing when you try and right click on it, or doing any right clicking functions within the File Explorer window. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So go ahead and open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space and then /scan out. Scan out should be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, restart your computer, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.